take a look. When the property dates to 1740, there's lots of history. Look at some of these rooms. One dining room. More parlors. More dining. It's beautiful. There's a whole other wing down the street too. It's known for its chocolate factory and its cigar making place where you can take tours. The chocolate's amazing looking.
Yeah, those 2 persons.
Anastasia, tell me how good pure chocolate is.
Chocolate's great.
Okay, we just toured the wine cellar, but I'm not going to take you down there. Let's go upstairs, we'll look at the rooms. Wow. So it's a Windsor Suite. Beautiful.
Windsor. They tried to name each of the rooms over and name of a place who actually ended up with Dover, Windsor, Danmore, Bale.
Look at this pool. One of the oldest in the Bahamas. Just beautiful.